Welcome to this guided meditation. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit undisturbed for the next few minutes. Sit with your back straight and your feet flat on the ground. Rest your hands comfortably on your lap. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a few seconds and then slowly release the breath through your mouth. As you exhale, allow any tension in your body to melt away. Take another deep breath in and release it slowly. Visualize yourself standing in a peaceful, serene environment. This could be a beautiful beach, a lush forest, or any place that makes you feel calm and relaxed. Take a moment to fully immerse yourself in this peaceful environment, feeling the warm sun on your skin and the gentle breeze on your face. As you stand in this peaceful environment, you notice a glowing ball of energy in the distance. As you approach the ball of energy, feel a sense of excitement and anticipation building within you. This ball of energy represents the vitality and strength that you will need to recharge your tired body. As you reach out to touch this ball of energy, feel it enter your body and flow through you. Feel the warmth and energy spreading throughout your body, starting at the tips of your toes and traveling up through your legs, your torso, your arms, and your head. Allow this energy to fill you up completely, filling new life and vitality to every cell in your body. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize this energy revitalizing you, giving you the strength and endurance to face any challenge that comes your way. Imagine yourself feeling more energized, more focused, and more capable of accomplishing your goals. Take a moment to bask in the glow of this energy and allow it to infuse your body with renewed vigor. When you are ready, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, feeling refreshed and invigorated. As you return to the present moment, take a moment to stretch your body and move around. Take note of how you feel now compared to how you felt before the meditation. Remember that you can return to this meditation anytime you need to tap into your inner strength and vitality. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and bring your attention back to your surroundings. Take a few moments to express gratitude for this moment of relaxation and renewal. That concludes this guided meditation. Have a great day. Be blessed. Namaste.